Now, I'm going to share something very close to my heart. For all-night sits, 5, 6, 7 hours, you're in plant medicine ceremony, and you want to be comfortable, right? It's such a delicate space, and when the body's uncomfortable, the mind has a very difficult time going to higher altitudes of consciousness. So how do we set up the seat, or I like to say the cockpit, so that your animal's comfortable while you go into the astral realms? Okay, so you find yourself a good wall spot. Number one, you want a comfortable surface under your body. So yoga blanket or something fluffy. I usually bring a vegan fur throw of some sort. My favorite cushion, yoga blocks. Again, they're clutch. Get a couple. Flat one, one at the second level on top, and then you've got lumbar support that isn't going to move around on you. In the arrangement I showed you, again, make your feet as you like. They can be in Siddhasana, Sukhasana. If you're going to be for a long time, choose the comfortable one. There's an aphorism, stuff the spaces. So I'm doing that with pillows between my ankle and my knees. Stuff the spaces. Can't go wrong. Also, a restless mind usually goes with not knowing what to do with our hands, hence nail biting, cigarette smoking, eating when we're not hungry, etc. So having a place for the hands in the lap, really nice. A shawl, so that when we go into astral realms, when we go into the energetic realm, there can be different marks and signs of this. One is physical heaviness. 2 is nausea, which is usually accompanied by temperature inversions. You get very cold, very hot. You're not sick, you are changing forms. So a shawl that allows you to be warm when you need to be, and also open a shoulder up and let air in when you're hot, is super nice. So thank you for spending this time to learn about these things with me. These are best practices I've discovered in ceremonies, in trainings, in practice over the last 30 years. Make it fun. Hedonism gets a bad rap, I think, but the self-love and giving your senses, giving your animal body what calms it down, what pleases it, is the root of this practice. Okay? When someone tells us to relax and we don't have what we need to relax, it can piss us off. So why not give yourself that in your own inner sanctum of practice? Again, the scents that you like, the cloth textures that you like, the objects that we invest in. These are our accoutrements, and they're so important because once you have them, you have what you need to go deeper into the non-physical explorations, the places where your energy can act as an elevator to discover other altitudes of consciousness and presences that exist there. So this will be our next focus, how to use awareness. Have a great night.